Welcome to Lunacy. In this tutorial, you will learn how to design a concept of a Halloween-themed landing page for Dribbble. Create a new document. Create an artboard. Select the Dribbble Shot Retina preset. Adjust the zoom and change the color of the artboard. Now add a rectangle. Align the rectangle to the center of the artboard. Adjust the fill and corner radius. Add an ellipse to the left upper corner of the rectangle. Open the Icons tab and select a Halloween icon. Place the icon over the ellipse. Remove the icon background. Select the icon and ellipse and apply the subtract operation to them. Add a text block next to the icon. Copy the text block and create 3 duplicates. Set the distance between the text blocks. Select all the top bar objects and group them. Create another text block in the center of the page. And one more text block. For details, check out the text version of the tutorial. The link is in the description. Then create a button using a rectangle and a text block. Open the Illustration tab and select the component type in the search bar. Find some illustrations to fit the Halloween theme. We are using 3D stripy illustrations. Finally, select all the objects and click Toggle Mask. Check out this and other Halloween designs in our Dribbble. The link is in the description.